Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to connect OnePlus Nord Buds 3R to your mobile. Okay, you can see here this is my OnePlus Nord Buds 3R and you can see here my Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is turned off, but I'm opening this lid. Okay, then you can see here it is working, green light. Okay, just wait for it. Sometimes it is show the connection page of OnePlus buds, so it is not showing, so go to connections, Bluetooth, turn on the Bluetooth, and you can see here it is showing here OnePlus Nord Buds 3R. Okay, so simply tap here to pair, and it will be ask for pairing request. Just click pair, so it is paired. Then you can see here it is working. So remove the lid, then you can see it is working, and it's connected for call and audio, and battery percentage is 100%. So that's guys, and OnePlus buds application does not work. So you can see here OnePlus Nord 3R save to device for fast firing. So you can simply save to fast firing, or you cannot. So that's guys. In this way you can simply connect your OnePlus Nord 3R Bluetooth earbuds. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.